Hello and good morning. Today, Group 4 will be presenting a short virtual tour. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Due to COVID 19, we all are in our homes and we can't travel anywhere. But don't worry, we bring to you a virtual tour of Hong Kong. So, we present to you a short but fun tour of Hong Kong. So, sit back and enjoy your tour.
So let's start. On September 12, we reached the Hong Kong International Airport at 10 pm, had our dinner and slept. Now we started with our tour. Day 1, that is 13th September, we had our breakfast at 9. Then we sat in the Peak tram to reach Victoria Peak at 10. It is also known as Mount Austin and is the highest hill in Hong Kong. Then after that, we went to the Man Mo Temple at 12. It is 9.2 km far from Victoria Peak, one of the oldest temples in Hong Kong. Has a gable roof and traditional Chinese motifs. It also has statues of God of Literature and God of War. Then we had our lunch, which was very delicious, and as all of us were very tired, we rested for some time. At 4, we went to see the Victoria Harbour. It is a natural landform harbour which separates Hong Kong Island from the Kowloon Peninsula. It was just fantastic. At 6, we reached at the Lan Kwai Fong. It is a bustling area known for music playing on streets, variety of restaurants. It is different types of food and the experience was very great.
Day 2, 14th September. As all of us were very excited, so we got up and had our breakfast. Then we moved ahead for the Ocean Park at 8 a.m. in the morning. Ocean Park is the second largest theme park of Hong Kong. Ocean Park had a marine mammal park, oceanarium, animal theme park, and amusement park. Then we moved ahead for the oceanarium. So we got our swimsuits and just dove in the pool. Then comes the best part and the most scary rides of the Ocean Park. The dragon, the hair raiser. The hair raiser is the most dangerous ride of the Ocean Park. Then the flash, the mine train, whirly board, and the cable car. Then after enjoying all of the rides, we had gone for the mammal rides, where we saw almost 500 fishes, then visited cute little pandas, then we looked out for the goldfish treasure. We watched an amazing show at Ocean Theatre, then experienced the Ocean Express. We almost had a lot of fun at the water park. Then the park was closed by 5 pm, so we changed our clothes and had some evening tasty snacks.
Then we arrived to see Dragon's Back by 6, around half an hour far from Ocean Park. It is a mountain range in southeastern Hong Kong Island. It is beautiful 3 hours hike with lots of amazing views. It was a breathtaking view. Our stops were Stop 1, Sheikh O Peninsula. Stop 2, Sheikh O Peak. Stop 3, Dragon's Back and Pottinger Gap. Stop 4, Big Wave Bay. After the thrilling and tiring day, we had our dinner and slept in a deep sleep.
Day 3. We had our breakfast and set out for the Hong Kong Space Museum at 10. It is the Astronomy and Space Science Museum, a great place to know about the universe and our solar system. Around 12 noon, we reached the Jardin Nonde Gun. It is the historical landmark owned and operated by Jardine Matheson. It is the gun fired every day at noon. After exploring this, we had our lunch and a short nap for refreshment. Then we were at the Avenue of Stars at 5. It is 6.6 km far from Jardin Noonday Gun, an avenue located along the Victoria Harbour waterfront. Honors celebrities of the Hong Kong film industry. It is the iconic site. After that, we went to the Golden Bauhinia Square at night. It was 9.9 km far from the Avenue of Stars. It got its name from the blooming Bhaumia, also known as Hong Kong Orchid. It is the best place to enjoy the spectacular views of Victoria Harbour and watch the Symphony of Light shows. Finally, after the tasty dinner, we went off to sleep.
Day 4, 16th September. As soon as we had our breakfast, we set out for the Bruce Lee statue, a memorial figure of Martian artist Bruce Lee. It was built on behalf of him who died on 28th July 1973 at the age of 32, a life-size bronze statue of 1.5 meters high. When we saw it, we felt really stunning to see the great action hero. Around 11, we arrived at Hong Kong Museum of History. It is 1.4 kilometers far from the Bruce Lee statue, a museum which preserves Hong Kong's historical and natural history, archaeology, ethnography, and local history. The colorful displays of Hong Kong's culture and traditions were most interesting and informative for us. Then we went to the Sky 100 observation deck at 3 after having a lunch. It is 360-degree indoor observation deck on the 100th floor of the International Commerce Center. The deck offers views of almost the whole Hong Kong. That experience was superb and exhilarating. In the evening, after some fresheners, we went to the Kowloon Park, a large public park with an area of 13.3 hectares. We got to know more about the beauty of nature. It is a fantastic place with different shades of green color. We spent a whole evening in this beautiful place. At night after dinner, we went to the Temple Street Night Market for shopping, a night market of Chinese culture. We came across a variety of teaware, antiques, clothes, footwear at an unbelievably cheap price. It offers a heartfelt experience. It takes your mind off the busy life.
After having breakfast, we were ready for mountain climbing at Lions Rock, a high mountain made up of granite, which was 495 meters high, 140 million years old. Took 2 hours 30 minutes to reach the top. Our tiredness vanished off by seeing the beautiful scenery. After coming down, we had our lunch. At 3, we arrived at the Yaomati Ten Hao Temple, 11.9 km away from Lions Rock, row of 5 adjacent buildings: Tin Hao Temple, Sing Wong Temple, Hoon Temple, Shing Tan Temple, Hu Yun Temple, now declared as a monument. A large temple with 2 stone lions outside and a bronze bell inside. Then we reached the garden at 4, 7.6 km away from the Yaomati Ten Hao Temple. A beautiful garden with great greenery, very peaceful inside. Saw the charming and magnificent nature. At 5, we went to a hilly place, Tai Mo Shan, the highest peak in Hong Kong, elevation of 957 meters, also the second tallest coastal peak in China. Experience of hiking was a very special experience for us. 3 hours for the hike, saw the sunset from the top, which was outstanding. After the dinner, we slept with a huge excitement for tomorrow.
We got up, got ready, had our breakfast, and set out for Disneyland. It is the happiest place on the earth, the largest theme park in Hong Kong. The slogan is, "The happiest place on earth. Believe in magic." The theme is of fairy tales and Disney characters. We reached there at 10 a.m. and had fun and enjoyed till a great extent. Top rides over there were Hyperspace Mountain, Iron Man Experience, Grizzly Mountain, Paint the Night, it was a parade, RC Racer. We also visited the Toy Story Land, Adventureland, and the Fantasyland. It was a marvelous experience. But it was time to say a goodbye to Disneyland. We had our dinner after the thrilling experience. We went to see the Sing Ma Bridge at night. It's world's ninth longest span suspension bridge. It is 2,160 meters long. It is an engineering marvel. The bridge was glowing with lights. We loved the shades of the color. The view was spectacular and awesome.
We finished our breakfast and we went to the Tian Tan Buddha. We had to take a ride in a cable car, a Gongting 360. We sat in it, and from the top, it was a spectacular view and the world's most amazing cable car. We reached the Tian Tan Buddha. We had to climb up 268 steps to reach the statue. We reached there in 15 minutes. We too saw a view from the statue, which was amazing, and then reached the bottom again in 15 minutes. We now went to the Po Lin Monastery at 12 noon, which was also known as a Buddhist monastery. It was 550 meters far from the Tian Tan Buddha, first simply known as the Big Hut. We walked on the wisdom path and saw the wooden pillars with Chinese characters that describe the Heart Sutra Chan.
Then we had our lunch at 1 and took a short nap. Then we went to see Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge at 2. It is the world's largest sea crossing bridge. It is 55 km long and it connects Hong Kong, Macau and Zhuhai, which are the three major cities on the Pearl River Delta. The river was shining and the bridge, it was tremendous. Finally, it was time to say goodbye to Hong Kong. But we really loved it. Great experience. Thank you. Presented by Tanushri, Disha, Srushti, Tanisha, Nandini, Ayushi, Sahil, Yash and myself, Rushabh. Thank you.